YouTube, it's Nikki from Nikki Lilly. So today I'm here with my sister Tasha.
Hello.
And as we're in December now, I thought it would be quite fun to do a Never Have I Ever, but Christmas edition. So we have a piece of card that says never on one side, and I have a one side. Thank you, thanks,
It's going to be really annoying.
I know, we're going to have to check. So we've got some Christmassy inspired questions. Oh, I need my phone actually. I'll go get that after. So yeah, we've got some Christmassy inspired questions that we're going to say we either have done or have never done. So you ready, Tush? I feel very Christmassy. Okay, right, let's
I don't feel Christmassy yet.
Really?
Yeah, not at all.
Why do you think that is?
I think it's because I'm at uni, and uni's not a very Christmassy place.
Oh yeah. Never have I ever snuck under the Christmas tree and opened a present, then wrapped it back up. I have.
Never.
I have.
I know you have. You hate surprises.
I hate surprises and I get so excited. Like, you're so good at guessing though what the present is.
I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm a bit psychic because I just know what it is.
Yeah, so then you don't need to actually like open it or like tear a little bit to see what it is.
But I do like surprises, so
yeah, I hate
even
surprises.
if I didn't know what it was, I don't think I'd look.
Yeah. So I'm guilty of doing that, unfortunately. But Mum always knows when I've done it on Christmas.
Well, yeah, because she's a really good rapper.
Yeah.
So if you've gone and re-wrapped it, she's gonna be like,
torn a little bit off.
Yeah.
Why does my wrapping not look as good as it did? Okay. Never have I ever re-gifted a present given to me.
Yeah.
I have.
I think if anyone says they haven't done this, they're lying.
I feel like I'm going to say I have for every single one.
Yeah, probably.
I have. Like, never a big thing or like a sentimental thing. Maybe like some socks or like something like that. Oh.
Yeah, or like, you know, you can get those like body sets and or like just little gift sets.
If you can get ones where you can like take it apart and like give one thing to one person, that's what I do.
Yeah.
But never like a big thing. I'd never do that.
Yeah, I think everyone's guilty of doing it.
It is helpful, must say, because it is a present.
Saves money as well.
Exactly. So in a sense, it is a present because you're not buying it.
Sometimes it's because when you've forgotten to get a present.
Oh my gosh,
like,
yeah,
oh
guilty.
God.
Yeah, that's literally another
cupboard.
one. Like, I have like forgotten to buy someone a present once.
Yeah.
Like last minute. Okay. Never have I ever told someone what their Christmas present is when it's supposed to be a secret.
She does this to me all the time.
I have. I'm gonna say I have for every single one.
She always spoils my Christmas presents for me.
I think
mainly the ones from you.
It's because I hate surprises again.
Or even without telling me, you'll tell me. You'll be like, oh, something functional that you need and you asked for. I'll be like, right, so it's this.
It's in the makeup category. It's an eyeshadow.
Yeah, you might as well just tell me what
Yeah. I just get so excited. Like, I'll say to Tasha or anyone, whether it's birthday or Christmas, like, do you want me to tell you? And they're like, no. And I'm like, can I tell you? And they're like, no.
And she'll tell you anyway.
And I say,
even
please.
If you said no.
And then because I like beg to tell them, I just eventually tell them. Because I think that you, like anyone else, hates like surprises because I hate surprises.
Oh,
Do
so
you know what I
you
mean?
just think everyone's the same?
Yeah. Whereas like I don't realise some of you actually don't like knowing what you've got.
Yeah. No, I like it to be a surprise. Like when my mum or dad asked me what I want for Christmas, I'd just like surprise me.
Yeah. Whereas I just want to know everything.
Yeah, and you.
I'm so sneaky. Never have I ever taken chocolate out of someone else's advent calendar. I've never done that.
No, I don't think I have either. I'm quite disciplined with my advent calendar. Like, you know, you see like loads of people that have eaten their whole calendar before it's even December.
I know, yeah.
Like, I know quite a few people who have done that, but I'm very disciplined. It's like one chocolate a day. And Mum used to never let us eat it in the morning, so I used to eat it up when I come back from school.
Oh yeah.
And it's always exciting when you've missed one and you have like 2 or 3 in a row.
Yeah, usually the chocolate that you guys like, I don't like.
Yeah. And
it's just wrong to do that, you know, it's just me.
And you normally just have a makeup one.
Yeah, I don't really like chocolate, except dark chocolate, but I'd rather get something makeup every day than something chocolate every day. But you're happy with your Galaxy and your...
Yeah, I don't mind chocolate ones, because I find...
cheap and cheerful.
Yeah, and I find that sometimes like in those advent calendars, half the stuff you don't even want anyway.
Yeah, that is very true. Never have I ever pretended to like a present that someone has given.
All the time.
I feel guilty saying this, but yeah.
Like in some senses, I like when people, like if my mum's given my Christmas list to someone, then that's obviously like they're gonna know that I'm gonna like it. But when they've just sort of freestyled it and then just gone with something that's just completely not my style, or
It's when...
It's mainly clothes, really.
Yeah.
Or it's like...
Yeah.
Like, someone a couple of years ago got me, like, something Hello Kitty themed, and I was 16 years old, and I was a bit like...
Yeah, I think for me it's when you tell them what you'd want,
Yeah.
and then they're like, okay, I'll get you that, and then they get you like some clothes that just aren't you at all. Like, obviously they don't know what you like, but it's when, you know, you literally tell them what you
Yeah,
like.
I'd rather someone ask me what I like and like ask me for a few examples rather than just go out and waste their money. And
That's why I think gift cards are always great, because, you know, you
yeah,
can buy what you
I
want.
like gift cards, but I just find them so boring. Like, you open them and it's like an envelope and it's like, oh.
Never have I ever not believed in Santa. I've never. I've wondered, but I've never not believed.
Never have you ever not believed in Santa?
Yeah.
When I was a similar age to Nikki, but Santa's magical in our house. He does the works. We all have a different colour present. So Nikki's got
Red.
Alex has got silver, I've got gold. And then like we get a few down the stairs, and then we've like got our stockings like on our chairs laid out in the
TV room.
Are you gonna vlog on Christmas?
Maybe.
Yeah,
Should
that
I
would
do
be
that?
really fun. Yeah,
Oh my
because
God,
stay tuned for that, because then you'll see.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea.
But I think me and Alex are getting to the age where Santa's gonna stop soon because we're getting quite old.
Yeah, I think 21 Santa stops.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I've never not believed. I'd say I've just questioned it, like,
Yeah.
is Santa real? But never thought, yeah, Santa's not real.
And it's
'cause
when,
Santa's
like,
amazing.
Your friends don't believe as well.
Yeah,
Like,
you
oh.
second guess it.
Yeah.
Because a lot of my friends are like, oh, you know Santa's not real. And I'm like, I don't know anything.
Yeah.
Santa's real for all I know. Never have I ever tried to stay up all night to see Santa.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've done that.
Well, actually, I haven't intentionally tried. I
Just so excited.
Yeah.
That was me, yeah. So excited that I just can't go to sleep.
Yeah, like, now that I'm older, like, and I go out on Christmas Eve, like, I can just come home and conk. When I was Nikki's age, I used to just not be able to get to sleep. I'd be listening out for any little thing I could
So
hear.
would I, yeah. I used to have the, there was an app which was like a Santa tracker.
Oh, yeah,
And you could like see where he was in the world. And then like see where he was going to next. And I used to love that. I used to be like, Mum, he's in America. Mum, he's in Australia.
Yeah.
He's so excited.
Or if he was in London, you'd be like,
oh God, I've got
gotta
to go to sleep.
sleep
No,
now.
my mum would be like, otherwise he's not going to come.
Yeah.
And then that would really scare me. So I'd just be like, come on, if you've got to go to sleep. And then I couldn't go to sleep even more.
I know.
And then I used to get really scared he wasn't going to come. But yeah, even when I was in hospital, he came.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Because I was in hospital on Christmas Eve and day once. And yeah, even then he came. So it just shows you, wherever you are, Santa will
He can
come.
see you.
But you've got to be nice, you can't be naughty, and then he won't come. Never have I ever eaten the food left out for Santa. I've never done that.
I never have because...
You have to think about that.
I never have because Mum always makes, like, biscuits.
I
so
make the biscuits.
Oh. You make the biscuits, and there's always more than we put out.
Oh,
so
yeah.
There's
Yeah.
always spares, so I don't really need to.
And like, it's really just biscuits and milk. Like, we don't really drink like milk by
Yeah,
itself.
I'm not a
big
you know,
milk
some
drinker.
people, you know, well, I don't really like milk anyway, but you know, some people will have like biscuits and milk as like a snack.
Cookies and milk, or
Yeah, but that doesn't appeal to me at all.
Mm.
So I'll just have a biscuit.
Yeah.
Like one of the ones that's left over.
No, I've never done that because I just feel bad for Santa. And like, he needs some fuel like along his journey, you know.
I think he gets enough biscuits.
Oh yeah,
everyone.
he's a little bit on the podge side.
Yeah.
No, but yeah, I've never done that. Mm-mm. Never have I ever not watched a Christmas film during December.
No.
Yeah, I've
Never.
never.
They're all over the TV.
Yeah, and
They just put
Netflix.
them everywhere.
Yeah. I love The Holiday. I love Elf. Elf's a classic. I'd say The Holiday and Elf.
The Holiday's
Santa!
my absolute
I know
favourite.
him!
I don't know. Everyone loves Elf, but that's never really appealed to me.
Really?
Yeah.
It's
I
not
just get
really a
bit
you
bored.
film. You like the more
Yeah.
mature Christmassy films.
Yeah.
Not
chick
like
flicks.
cringy, like...
Yeah.
I've never liked The Grinch.
I don't think I've ever seen The Grinch.
Might be an unpopular opinion, but I've never liked The Grinch.
I
I think he used to scare me, The Grinch. That's why I didn't like it.
I've never watched it, so I can't really comment
Can't
on
really
that
comment on that,
No.
but yeah, I don't think you'd like it. Again, like, it's quite...
Yeah, I like The Holiday and Love Actually.
Oh yeah, I
That's
like
set at
that.
Christmas,
yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Just stuff like that, like the romantic ones.
Yeah. So that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're excited about Christmas, give it a thumbs up.
Yes.
And comment down below what you guys have put on your Christmas list this year.
Yeah, I've really struggled with mine this year.
So have I.
I've literally had to like go through
every single
countless sites and just not even that I really want it, but just so that I've got something to ask for.
Yeah, literally, I've been the exact same this year. Usually, like throughout the year, I put this on my list and that on my list.
Yeah, I feel like because last year, like obviously it was a big year, like it was my 18th, like I got a phone and then I got my laptop for uni. There's not really anything else that I need, like there's like a big present to ask for. So
just little things, really.
Yeah.
I prefer little things. So yeah, let us know what you guys want for Christmas this year. What's on your wish list?
Maybe you can help us ask things.
Yeah, help us get some ideas because we need them.
Really struggling.
Yeah. Subscribe and click that I can't speak today. Click that big red button if you haven't already and you'd like to see more videos from me and sometimes you.
Occasionally. I'm getting a video. I'm getting a camera for Christmas, so hoping that it will give me a bit of an incentive to film more.
Yeah.
But it's not because I don't want to. I was just so busy with uni. It's like really cracking on now. But I'll try my best to get some videos out for you. So
Tasha's got her channel, so I'll link that down below. But yeah, we love you guys loads. Tasha, thank you for being here. Hope you've learnt a bit about what we have done and haven't done. Love you guys lots. See you very soon. And bye guys.
Bye.